I wanted to share the April warmer of the month. I have the brochure here. Light Your Way. This is so stunning in person. I thought on the pictures that it was silver, but it's actually a whitewashed gold. And it is metal, and it takes a 20-watt bulb. Here, the warming dish. So I just think this lighthouse is so cute. We have a lot of coastal decoration in my house, so this is perfect for my home. And then I wanted to share the scent of the month, Chamomile Petals. It's chamomile petals, jasmine, and apple. So it's part of the floral family. Everything for April scent and warmer of the month is 10% off the whole month. Very nice. If you're interested, you can message me or visit my website. Thanks for watching.